welcome to a new vlog, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Kiamahedzembata. I hope you like it here and do consider subscribing. And to all my returning subbies, oh guys, I love you so much. Your support means so much to me, and I see it and I appreciate it so much. So guys, I'm here to open this vlog. I am expecting a Shein delivery. There is an order that they're supposed to deliver between today and tomorrow. They sent me an SMS this morning to say that they will be delivering in the next 48 hours. So I am opening this vlog so that when it comes, I can just do the unboxing and show you guys what I got. It's not a lot of things. It's things that I need for my channel that I'll be using for my YouTube channel or to shoot videos for my YouTube channel. But otherwise, guys, I am good. I hope you guys are good. Guys, my video, the video, yeah, lobola, yeah, it's that one. It's sitting on 900 views. Luna, thank you so much. Like, I'm just like, yo, I am so happy. Like, I am extremely happy. And then what else did I want to come tell you guys? I'm unplating. Finally today I am going to unplait. And the thing is, when I unplait, so that's what I'm doing today. If the order comes today, I will unbox it today. If not, I will do it tomorrow. Tata wants to say hi. Do you like to say hi? Okay, so that's what I wanted to say to you guys. But since my friend is crying here, let me close it off here. I'll see you guys later then. Say bye. Say bye. What do you want? Say bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
How many ice creams are we buying? 4. Okay.
4 for auntie. No. For auntie. That's 5.
Okay.
And that one's for me. 5 for you. And that's 1 for us. Daddy.
So we're getting 5 ice creams.
5. Daddy, because there's 5 of us. Auntie, you, and Gabo, and me.
About how many?
You took out so many. This. 1, 2, 3.
3.
No. Daddy.
Tell says 5.
5. Because the rest of the family would
But
have.
it's not far. We're not going to say that we came from Ghana.
It's not far. I think so. I got
You
it.
substitute. Because you're not a doctor.
But Kelly's not a doctor.
Doctor. I'm just working myself.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things. Surely I will give you glory for eternity. You are all I need. Once upon a time, the mustard tree was just a seed. Grow my faith, oh Lord, and show me what is heavenly. Jesus, you're the truth.
This one I bet you me, I no get tired. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Pretty man wait to be da. What's it going? You are coming. All depends.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
It's your mother.
Hi, mommy. I'm coming in.
Tete.
I know.
I just want to name of
Tete is visiting. Come in. Go in, Tete. Don't push it.
This is our Tete.
Hi guys, I come back with an update. So remember this morning I told you guys that I'm waiting for a Shein order. They did deliver. They actually delivered around 11. So then after that we went to what's this? We went to Game Fest. Then we went to Crazy Store. When we went to Crazy Store, we were actually looking for, there's some round balls. I'll show you guys. I'm still going to look for those balls. Take it back. When we went to Crazy Store, that castle. So but when we got there, I'm like, okay, it's fine since we cannot find. We actually went to 3 shops and we couldn't find the balls. So I'm still going to go look for the balls and then I'll show you guys what I was going to do with the balls. Okay, so now I just want to show you guys what I bought. So I'm going to do it this way. I want to shoot for TikTok first, and then I'll come and show you guys the item once I'm done shooting the TikTok video. So yeah, let me start doing that. Tete, stop doing the hello. Hi guys, so I come back and I want to show you guys. So it's this. Khota has already assembled it for me. And I want to show you guys for okay, so I hope you guys can see the difference. I'm already so excited. And I think I'm gonna adjust Robin. Yes. Hello. yo. Lampard. I can't wait to shoot the content. Okay, let's go to the next item. And then okay, it's a little pages in. I think let's see I think Lena, and then do you do it this way? I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's so this is the first one. And then I bought this. Guys, you remember how my son gets into it broke. So the other leg, this side, so I can't use this anymore. And I hide the leg like the other one, but if it's a hide so. And the one that I bought, I'm not sure if it's a so and then this is how you open it. More, you put your phone in. I can't show you guys because I record a mole, and then you can use the small and a remote. I think it works with Bluetooth. And then you open it like this. And then I don't think it's but so okay, let's put this back. And then I bought myself the headphone with hey, get plastic but anyway, okay guys, hope you guys can see Hunter. And then I think I've already told you guys I don't think I told you, but yeah, I lost the microphone, actually not microphone one, so I lost the microphone that my son had bought me. So I bought and let's open it. And then test and then charger thing. So this is the charger. And then what else did I buy? Okay, so that's it for the YouTube. And then I bought myself earrings, guys, because and my mom she's like, I watch your videos and my videos how all so I bought Zena, I think nearly 15 rand. And then I also bought these ones. Then I bought these ones. I don't know how different it's a guy. I had some of the, especially the take a so that's it. Okay, so guys, just to tell you about the Shein order, I think the total was 500 and something. I'll put a screenshot of my order, Monomo. And then yeah, that's it. Maybe I will, if I do remember, I'll just put the, what is that code, that Shein code, I will put it on the description box. So if you're interested in buying any of these things, you can get them. And as I edit, I'll just try and put the prices next to the items as I show you guys. Thank you so much, guys. It's been a lovely day. I think I am going to unplait my hair later on. I remember this morning I told you guys that I'm not going anywhere, but that was not the case. So I still want to do it. I'm lazy, but I might do it. I might do it. I might not do it. So let me love and leave you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, so I just want to show you the difference between when I'm using this light that I bought from Shein and without the light. So there is no light, it's off now, and this is when it is off. Can you guys see the difference? Okay,
This is a new one.
yeah, that's a new one. And then about the earrings, guys, I've been looking at these earrings and I'm like, nah, I can't
Mommy,
Anna.
don't give me.
I'm not gonna say Anna.
I can do the way
I see it like so. I get to get off a man. I'm not gonna say Anna. Okay, Anna. I get la one. Get la one. Maybe as I mean, I'm okay. And then, visual expression now. Like utla kata kita malena kira tu manginan. Uka kata kita malena kira. How do I look, Alice?
You only shut the door. What's the you?
What's on your shot? Did I make it?
In the car.
But I can't look with my earrings. You don't like it?
I just need the way how I am. I just need a paper for this.
Listen, look at me. How do I look with my new earrings? Oh, Nada. Kamila says I look nice. And Bukhali is laughing. Bukhali and Faza are laughing at me.
Why you need it?
So, tell me what you think, guys. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what do you think. Come on in. Let me come close. That's good, sweetie. How does mommy look with her earrings?
Why does it smell?
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm going to test the mic tomorrow because I am charging it now. We did try and test it, but I think it needs to be charged because it gives a sound and then so let me charge it and then we'll test it tomorrow. Bye, guys. I'm not sure. I might cook with you guys today. I might not. Bye. Hi guys, so it's me again. I know I said I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, but I'm going out. So I want Khoto to cook the. Remember the other day when I said he cooked soup and dumpling? I want him to please. I asked him if he can please cook that for us today because whether hey, something warm I was going to cook papa ka vors. So I don't think the weather papa ka vors. So I'm going out now. He said I must go out and get what he needs to cook so let's go to spa together, guys. I honestly think that this vlog is going to be spend a day with me. I've been doing the previous vlog, it will be like 2 days, but most of what I shot was shot in the first day. So the second day is just like when I show you guys what I bought Kumako, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then even the one before that was a spend a Sunday with me, where we went to buy groceries, did a grocery haul. So I think even this one will be a spend a day with me. But anyway, who cares? There's content, guys. So let me leave. Guys, but I think Lina, I'm not consistent. Remember, I told you guys, I used Bepentham and I was feeling much better, and it was actually helping me. But I stopped using it. So, kita zama happy to try be consistent in applying it. Maybe every day and see if it will fit.
In 300 meters, turn right.
In 300 meters we are turning right. So in 300 meters we are turning right. Guys, I will see you guys after Spa.
Turn right.
What's it gonna be? All depends.
You've arrived at your destination.
Different things can happen.
So guys, so ke mo barikeng eno. I left the house kiriki go spa, right? Spa. Then, so when I left, because I get somebody
In 500 meters, turn left onto Cornet Avenue.
So somebody had told me that there's a spa around Selfie thing. I have never been there. So I get to go to a spa. Guys, did I not go to Spark? Spark the school. Like Spark.
In 300 meters, turn left.
300 meters. I keep on looking because I think I can edit little motor in the background. So I get to go Spark. Spark was school. Spark was SPARK. I can check. I just chose the first one. It's a spa. So I'm now driving.
Turn left onto Cornet Avenue.
Spa, seriously, Spa, the supermarket.
Where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from a mile ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci, but the body Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. If my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me. But when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, just for the record. Just for the record.
Good morning, my people. It is another day of the vlog. It is Sunday morning and I'm going out to get vegetables. I'm going out to buy vegetables. You know what, guys, I know you guys are tired of this hair. I am just as tired, but I don't think I am as tired because but I was lazy. I wanted that trip had it not happened, right now. So I don't want to say hopefully today guys, I uploaded a video this morning. Yeah, this morning guy 8. So my videos go live guy 8. I set them already dear live guy 8 because it doesn't make sense. I used to do schedule 1 and not 12 a.m. Then who's up at that time? So I changed it to 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm here to do it. Oh, wait, guys. So I wanted to say to you guys, you know, like I like how we as small YouTubers, and that includes me. I like how we as small YouTubers are just supporting each other. Like, it's so amazing to watch, man. And another thing that I wanted to tell you guys, that when we post like moody status, excuse me guys, when we post on statuses, when we post more Facebook or Instagram, just to make you guys aware that hi, we've uploaded a video, please check it out. That goes a long way. It might be that that gets me subscribers. Today there's a lady who follows me on, we follow each other on YouTube, not YouTube man, on what's this, we are friends, man. Not even follow each other. We are friends on Facebook, right? So I think she didn't know that I had a YouTube channel, So today, when I posted that video, so I when I do have time, excuse me, guys. When I do have time, what I do is that let me speak to you guys, give it, and then I will drive. So when I do have time, I usually create smaller versions of the video that I'm uploading on that day. So I did that this morning, and then I uploaded it on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So she saw it on Facebook. Then she went and subscribed to my channel. I got 2 subscribers from today's video. So as I post, I'm realizing that I'm not going to stop. Like, that's how I can reach people and let them know, oh, hey guys, I have a YouTube channel. It might be that some people have been my friends for the longest time. I've been posting on Facebook, but they might have missed those posts. So I will continue, and I'm encouraging other YouTubers to say, go out and let people know you have a YouTube channel. Market yourself. Use your other use your other social media platforms to advertise. Who will do that for you? Only you can do it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys this morning. And we are getting subbies. We are now sitting on 320 subscribers. So it is road to 400 subbies. Please check if you are not. Take this moment to check if you are subscribed. If you enjoy the content, please do subscribe. If you keep coming back, please do subscribe to the channel and support the lady. I will see you guys when I'm not going to shoot go Food Lovers. We are going to Food Lovers Market. I'm not going to shoot because I showed you guys Spa, so I feel like it's a repetition. It's shopping. So I'm not going to shoot anything. Most probably I will shoot Apaya. Today because quite a bit like how I prefer because hey, but today I'm cooking, so I'm planning rice chicken. I don't know which veggies am I going to buy. So the veggies I will take it to alrighty guys, let me love and leave you. Bye.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got